Hi everyone, my name is Tim Brown and welcome to this series on iMovie Basics. I cover a range of topics in this series including recordings, narrations, overlays, transitions, everything that can constitute a basic understanding of how you use iMovie for iOS. I originally created this series for Flipgrid to encourage video responses from those who want to express their comprehension of the topics discussed or who want to provide some kind of feedback about what they learned. I also posted this series up on YouTube in the form of a playlist, so it's also available there. And I use my iPad Pro most of the time when I'm talking about each topic. There's one occasion where I use the iPhone because the interface is a little different than the iPad. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this series. I had a lot of fun producing it.